Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Check the model and iOS in Settings General about so you know what firmware you can use. Back up your iPad to iCloud or to Finder on a Mac and make a local copy if you want extra safety. This preserves data when removing an update. Once done, go to Settings, tap your name, and sign out of iCloud or disable Find My. This step prevents activation lock during the restore process. Download the correct IPSWA file for your iPad model and double-check whether Apple is still signing that firmware. Unsigned versions cannot be installed. Connect the iPad to a Mac or PC, then open Finder or iTunes. Select your device and choose Restore while holding Option Mac or Shift Windows to pick the IPSWA file. If the iPad won't restore normally, put it into Recovery or DFU mode, and once the restore completes, set up the iPad from your backup or as a new device depending on what you need. Make sure to sign back into iCloud and re-enable Find My. If activation lock prompts you, enter the original Apple ID and password. Without that, you can't proceed. If you hit errors, write down the error code, switch cables and USB ports, and try another computer. These hardware and host issues are common causes and often resolve the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.